jacket today. Look at all that overspray freezing on my coat. Got the ice cleats on so that I can walk out here. The footing's still dicey, but I got good grip. More ice bridge action. More dicey footing, but notice this is why you wear this kind of traction, because I can just walk on it as long as I'm careful about my ankles. Check out the frozen beach. And then we'll pan over to more of the coolness. I've kicked loose an ice ball so I can show you. Just gonna set it down here and then give it a push. Okay, maybe not the best